In 1957, a group of astronomers in Mexico were cataloging dim, unremarkable stars. They found something. They wrote it down as entry number 618 and moved on. They had no idea what they had just looked at. Neither did anyone else for 17 more years. What that point of light is hiding is the largest, most violent, most ancient thing our species has ever found. And it has been out there, completely alone, since before our sun existed.
When most people think about a black hole, they picture something dramatic. A swirling disk of fire, a monster that pulls everything in. The kind of thing that dominates a galaxy, that bends light, that nothing can escape. And they are right. Black holes do all of those things. But there is a problem with how we picture them. The black holes we know best, the ones in textbooks, the ones that got photographed, are large the way a mountain is large. Impressive, real, but still something the human mind can hold. In 2019, scientists released the first ever photograph of a black hole. The orange ring, the dark center. You have seen it. That black hole, at the center of a galaxy called Messier 87, contains 6.5 billion solar masses. 6.5 billion times the mass of our sun, crushed into a single point. That number felt enormous. It was supposed to feel enormous. It was on the front page of every newspaper on Earth.
Here is the problem. That black hole, the one we celebrated, the one we called a historic moment for humanity, is not the biggest one we know about. It is not even close. The thing recorded as entry 618 in a catalogue nobody remembers, the unremarkable dot in Mexico's night sky, contains a black hole 10 times more massive than the one we photographed. 10 times. And when you understand what that actually means, not just the number, but what it means, the word enormous stops working. You need a different word. Astronomers invented one. They called it ultramassive.
66 billion solar masses. Not 6.5 billion, 66 billion. Here is a way to feel that number, rather than just read it. Our entire Milky Way galaxy, every star you have ever seen in the night sky, every star you have not seen, every red dwarf, every giant, every dying ember of every sun that ever burned in our galaxy, all of them together add up to roughly 64 billion solar masses. The black hole inside TON 618 is heavier than all of that. Heavier than every single star in the Milky Way combined. And here is where it starts to feel wrong. The light we are receiving from TON 618 right now, tonight if you pointed a telescope at it, left that object 10.8 billion years ago. The universe itself is only 13.8 billion years old. That means when this light began its journey toward us, the universe was barely 3 billion years old, younger
than the Earth is today. Ton 618 was already there, already that size, already that powerful. Whatever it has grown into since that light left, we do not know. We cannot know. Light will never reach us.
To understand what Ton 618 actually is, you need to understand what a quasar is. When a black hole this large feeds, when it pulls in gas and dust and the remnants of stars, that material does not fall straight in. It spirals. It forms a disk around the black hole, and as it spirals inward, the friction and pressure heat it to temperatures so extreme that it stops being matter in any normal sense. It becomes plasma, pure superheated energy, and it glows. Not gently. Ton 618 glows with the energy of 140 trillion suns. 140 trillion. That is so bright that the entire galaxy surrounding it, billions of individual stars, is completely invisible from Earth. The galaxy is there. We know it is there. We simply cannot see it. The black hole at its center has swallowed the light of everything around it. The black hole at its center has swallowed the light of everything around it.
Now, the size. If you took our entire solar system, the Sun, all 8 planets, every moon, every asteroid, every object we have ever sent into space, and placed it at the edge of Ton 618's event horizon, it would not register. The event horizon, the point of no return, the boundary where light itself cannot escape, stretches 1,300 times the distance from Earth to the Sun, in every direction. A beam of light, traveling at the speed of light, the fastest thing in the universe, would take weeks just to cross from one side of this event horizon to the other. And here is where the horror lives. If you were falling into Ton 618, if somehow you crossed that boundary, you would not feel it happen. No alarm, no resistance, no signal. The gravity at the edge is so spread across such an enormous distance that your body would register nothing unusual.
You would simply be inside. And then, gradually, over the remaining seconds of your existence, the universe outside would dim, compress, and vanish. Nobody would see you go. No light from your final moments would ever leave. You would become part of it, permanently, without ceremony. And Ton 618 would not notice at all. Here is the question that keeps astrophysicists awake. Ton 618 should not exist. Black holes grow by consuming matter, but that process has a speed limit, a point where the radiation from infalling material pushes back and slows the feeding. To grow a black hole to 66 billion solar masses through normal processes
would take longer than the universe had been alive when TON 618 appeared. The maths does not work. And yet the object is there. The current best explanation is that something in the early universe, conditions we no longer have access to, in an epoch we can only partially observe, allowed black holes to grow in ways that simply are not possible today. We do not fully understand how it formed. We only know that it did. And now, consider the end. Black holes are not permanent. Over timescales so vast they make the current age of the universe look like an afternoon. They lose mass, slowly, particle by particle, until there is nothing left.
For TON 618, that process will take approximately 1.3 times 10 to the power of 99 years. A number with 99 zeros after it. By the time TON 618 finally disappears, every star in the universe will have been dead for longer than we can calculate. Every galaxy will be dark. Every planet gone. The universe will be an empty, cooling void. And TON 618 will still be there, waiting, alone.
The astronomers in Mexico wrote it down and moved on. They had a list to finish. Entry 618. Unremarkable. Somewhere out there, 10.8 billion light-years away, something containing 66 billion solar masses is pulling everything near it into silence. It was doing that before our sun existed. It will be doing it long after our sun is gone. It does not know we found it. It does not know we exist.
This is Infinitum space.